Hello and welcome to AusStock, the program where we look at what's happening in the Australian markets at the moment. I'm your host, Mike Lotter, and right now we are looking at what retail and supermarkets are up to. As per usual, I'm joined by Marcus Bogdan. Welcome to the program. Thanks again for your time.
Good to be here.
Now, Marcus, key sectors investors are currently focused on seem to be consumer staples and, of course, those consumer discretionary industries such as retailers and supermarkets. I was wanting to ask you, how did those companies report their full-year results, and do you see stocks like Woolies, or Woolworths, I should say, and Coles and others playing a role in the Blackmore Capital portfolios moving forward?
Well, remarkably, the consumer has been incredibly resilient despite record high levels of inflation and rising interest rates. But there is great interest in consumer staples as the cost of living starts to rise. Our preference is for Woolworths. They delivered revenue growth of around 5% compared to Coles of 2%. And that was largely driven by a significant presence in online, which they were particularly successful in delivering on. But we like the core consumer staples, Woolworths, and also Endeavour Group, which was the spin-out of Woolworths, which is Dan Murphy and BWS and the hotels business. And unlike the supermarkets, there has been a move to premiumisation, both at the retail level and when people are going out and celebrating in hotels.
Okay, so how does that, guide your needle when it comes to choosing one as well, just on that last point you made?
Well, we definitely like their footprint in both retail and hotels. And, hotels last year were only open 279 days. So hopefully this financial year we'll get the full year in and people are wanting to socialise now.
Fingers crossed. My partner, who is vegan, also approves of Woolies vegan cheese over Coles' offering. So there you go. There's another one to guide that needle.
Noted. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.